Hey guys, it's Dylan and I'm here with an Easter video. So everybody loves Easter, and of course I do because you could tell it's early. So I've got an entire egg full of Warhead stuff, and that thing, that. I'm gonna be doing a challenge on it. So, everything's falling. So, it's the Warhead Super Sour Spray Candy. Woo! I've had a few things of this, and it's really sour. It really is. Just smelling it. Alright. This is for my fingers, even though I barely have any. Anyways, alright. 3, 2, 1. I can't even. Okay, one more. I'm already watering. 3, 2, 1. Oh! I'm drooling. Oh, hold on. Oh my god. Guys, that was horrible. It burned. Oh. Anyways, there you have it. It's the Warhead Spray Candy Challenge. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. No, and yeah.